What I'd like to do is ask the question, does that actually show up in results? And this is a study done at Cambridge University looking at behaviors of reps correlated with their performance. So if you go to the right, you have the poorer performing reps. It's the more traditional reps. While they may be extremely familiar with their solution and their products, they are quick to pitch. While they may be very responsive and pleasant to work with, their approach is more reactive. If you move up to the next 25%, then you start to see what I'll call more intimate and more responsive approaches. They operate from a customer or business or even the context of the specific person they're dealing with. And as a result, they begin to tailor and customize how the solutions look. And they will even turn down business. Very counterintuitive. Finally, if you look at the left, you've got the top 10% of reps. And they have a really unique set of behaviors. They have more conversations with decision makers. They are disciplined about thought leadership, about the expertise that they bring to their customers to help them solve problems. They have a lot more tools at their disposal, reference stories, connections. They're hyper emotionally aware of the client's situations, the client's anxieties, and the client's worries. And if you look at the results across this spectrum, it's not incremental. If the majority of your reps are performing at 1x, these top performing reps are 10x the performance and above.